Dear student, today's topic is pie chart. Pie chart. So how to draw a pie chart from a given information. Now we do it. So it is exercise 24A from your reference book R.S. Agarwal. It is question number 2. One table is given there. These two columns are given. This is not given in your book. So first column, name of the creatures. In second column, number of creatures. Beast 150, land animals 400, birds 175, and water animal 125, and reptiles 50. These are the number of animals and these are the name of animals. Now prepare a pie chart on the basis of this given information. Now number of creatures 150, 400, 175, 125 and 50, and total sum of all the creatures is 900. Now find the central angle which is in the third column. How to find central angle? So the process is individual by total into 360 degree. Individual means this 150 by total 900. So 150 by 900 into 360 degree. Similarly, for land animals, individual by total. Individual means 400. There is 400 by total number of animals is 900 into 360 degree. For birds, 175 by 900. That is individual number of birds is 175 by 900 into 360 degree. Water animal 125, so 125 by total number of animals into 360 degree, and also reptiles 50, so 50 by 900 into 360 degree. Now calculate it, simplify this. So cut this 0, 0 and 0. 9, 4, yeah, 36. It is 4. Now 15 into 4, 60 degree. Just simplify this. Next, cut this 9, 0, 0, 0 and 0. 9, 4, 36. 40 into 4, 4, 4, 16 and 1, 0, 160 degree. This one, 0, 0. 9, 10, 9, 4. 2, 2, 4. 2, 5, 10, 5 and 75, divide 175 by 5, 5, 5, 25, so 35, so 35 into 2, 70 degree, there is degree given. Next 125 by 900 into 360, so cut this 0 and 0, divide these two number by 9, 9, 10, 9, 4, 36, 2, 5, 10, 2, 2, 4, 5, 25, 125, so 25 into 2, 50 degree. Next, this one, 0, 0, 0, 0, 9, 4, 36, 4, 5, 20 degree. So these are the central angle. Next step, we draw the graph, that is pie chart. How to draw this pie chart? So first, now this side I draw the graph. So draw a circle of any radius. Draw a circle of any radius. This is the center of the circle. This is the center of the circle. Now, with you draw a circle of any radius with the help of compass, pencil compass. Now, this is the center. Now draw a radius with the scale. Now, first draw an angle 60 degree where this is the initial line. This is the initial line. So draw an angle 60 degree where this is the initial line with the help of protractor. So I have a small protractor, this one. So in your copy you put this, you know how to draw the angle. So it is 60 degree. Sorry. So this is the 60 degree angle. So with the help of scale, you draw this line. So it is 60 degree. And here you write beast. Because first 60 degree angle represent the animal beast. Next angle is 160 degree. So next you draw 70 degree angle, not 160 degree. So 70 degree angle is represent the creature's birds. So with the help, this is the initial line. Now this is the initial line, and put the protractor and draw an angle. You may write also 160 degree. So with the help of initial line, so this is 90 degree angle, this is 100, 120, 100, there is 160 degree. So this is the angle 160 degree. Now with the help of scale, draw this angle 160 degree. So this is the angle 160 degree. And here you write land animals. Land animals. Next angle is 70 degree. So with the help of protractor, you draw this angle 70 degree. With this is the initial line. So put the protractor here and draw an angle 70 degree. This is the 70 degree angle. Now draw this angle. So this is 70 degree angle. And here you write birds. It is birds. Next angle is 50 degree. With this is the initial line, draw an angle 50 degree. So put your protractor. It is 50 degree. It is 50 degree. And here you write water animal. Water animal, and remaining angle is also 20 degree. Here it is reptiles. So this is completed. Now you put the different set here. You may use different kinds of set. In your choice. Here this is your choice. So it is completed. This is the pie chart. Thank you.